All right, so I've been back in action here on Mo's Vet. As you can see, my light's down yonder. And remember before when the battery was connected, all our gauges would be on all the time. So I went through, I chased our wiring. I've been down yonder there a while. So now, check this out. Ooh. Here you go, Batman. Got lights on. Temperatures seem right, like I said the other day. Voltage, that actually seems fairly close to correct with all this stuff powered up. Our oil pressure go up as we're cranking. So we are getting oil pressure. Sensor's working. RPM is working. That's about right for the starter. There we go. See, 0 RPM, 0 mile an hour. And our oil pressure is dropping down again. Bitchin'. So, left turn, no wanna work. Right turn, no wanna work. But we just had our hazards working. Oh, there we go.
Work in the back.
Hazards are good. Hazards are on, Burnsy?
Yeah, in the back. I'm gonna check the front for you.
Nice. And our fuel is at 0, obviously, because we have 0. I can see them flashing the reflection on that truck out there.
Yeah, just need a bulb on this side.
Yeah. Cool. Cool. Look at that. Hazards are working. Okay, so we have everything kind of going on the key now. Let's close the door, see if the door jar behaves this time. Or if I need to chase that circuit. Door jar light went out. Watch.
Just watch that.
Oh! Hold on, we're going to zoom in on that. I know that's not big to a lot of people, but that's a big deal for me. Because if you guys watch all these videos, you'll see how much work it was. I had to take 2 factory setups there for the cluster. That center dash. I'll show you those videos later.
Okay.
Burnsy wasn't here for that round of fun.
No.
And I basically had to trim them and cut them and find the lenses and all that because we were missing a lot of that. But yay, door jar. That's cool. Awesome. And our hazards are working. I want to get...
Yeah.
Just because it's cool back here. Ooh, hazards. Our brake lights weren't working. You and I checked that. I checked that on the brake light switch. I'm going to get us a new switch, which we talked with Mo about that a while ago, and then we're kind of like, I don't know if we need it or not. Let's get everything working first. So now that it's working, we know we're going to go get a nice new switch. But fuel level, 0. Yeah, because that tank's empty. Oil pressure, 0, because the engine's off. Those temperatures, 61 degrees. Oil, 59 degrees water.
Sounds about right.
That's about right. Volts around 11.5, 11.6 with all this stuff flashing. Yeah. Cool. Cool. Yeah, look at that. You can see it through the back window. It's like Night Industries 2000. Just kidding. It's not Kit. It might be cooler than Kit. Barney was like, he nodded and then he shook his head. He's like, yeah, maybe. All right, so that's a positive improvement. So turn signals, we got to figure out. I'm sure it's just wired. Let's do our lights. All right. Red LED, red LED. Obviously, you don't need any lights because... Let's see if the dimmer feature works, by the way. Oh yeah, see how they got brighter? Dimmer. Lights come on. Cool, that's working too. All right. A lot of stuff working.